Was it more than attraction and a physical lust? Alloys my imagination at first, inconceivable touch that I was planning, I mean wishing. How embarrassed I'd been if you knew what I was thinking.
Welcome to JKS International Corrective Color DVD. I am Chris Hightower, full-time stylist and international educator.
And I'm Faith Herman, full-time stylist and design team member. In this DVD, we will take you through corrective color from start to finish.
Along with that, we will cover our JKS Italian cream color, bleaching powder, and developers, as well as show you some key points that can help you in corrective color services.
So Chris, let's step inside one of our JKS salons and get started.
Alright guys, as we know, the term corrective color varies from person to person. Corrective color is when your client is changing their existing hair color, for example, light to dark, dark to light, or even changing pre-existing tones. Alright, we're going to explain some examples. Light to dark. Light to dark is when your client's hair is pre-lightened or has highlights and wants to darken by either going all over or even breaking that up with existing color by adding low lights. Dark to light is when your client has been coloring their hair and now wants to be lighter, either by going all over lighter or by adding highlights to break up their existing color. Or even changing the tone of the client's hair when they're unhappy with the tone that is currently in their hair and wants to be different. Now that we've covered the definition of corrective color, let's begin with the fundamentals of colors. Please make sure you have your JKS technical manual with you because we will be giving you reference pages. We are going to start by going over our JKS International Color Wheel, so please reference page 8 in your technical manual. If you will take notice, we have placed all the color series on the color wheel to make it easy for you to identify all the color series and their dominating pigments. In the inner circle shows you the neutral and softer tones, and the outer ring will show you the more vibrant tones, and we'll notice that the 00/neutral is not on our color wheel. That is because this color has no pigment, but is a multifunctioning tool, which you can refer to page 21. Identifying the correct color level is key when doing corrective color. Your color level chart will be found on page 6. Level 1 being darkest black, level 2, darkest brown, level 3, dark brown, level 4, medium brown, level 5, light brown, level 6, darkest blonde, level 7, dark blonde, level 8, medium blonde, level 9, light blonde, and level 10, lightest blonde. Also, another great key thing to remember when doing corrective color is the remaining pigmentation. You can also find this chart on page 26. Level 10, palish yellow. Level 9, pale yellow. Level 8, yellow. Level 7, yellow-orange. Level 6, orange with slight red. Level 5, orange-red. Level 4, red. Level 3, red. Level 2, red with violet. And level 1, blue. This chart will help when going from light to dark. And once again, keep in mind the color wheel on page 8. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, which are pure tones, and they cannot be achieved from a mixture of any other color. Next, we have our secondary colors, orange, green, and violet. These are colors obtained by mixing equal parts of primary colors. Then we move into our tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, red-violet, red-orange, yellow-orange. These are created by mixing two secondary colors together. And then we go into our complementary colors. Complementary colors are primary and secondary colors that are positioned opposite from each other on the color wheel. Complementary colors include blue-orange, red-green, and yellow-violet. Complementary colors neutralize each other or refine unwanted tones in the hair. Understanding complementary colors will help you choose the appropriate tone to accomplish your goal. Knowing the fundamentals of color is very important and will help you achieve an accurate outcome of your color. Now we're going to go over client consultation. Client consultation is a very critical part of corrective color service. First step is finding out what has taken place to your client's hair prior to them seeing you and also what has been used on their hair. And step 2 is identifying the health of the hair. Perhaps the most serious situations can occur when inexperienced hair colorist fails to recognize that the hair is far too damaged to correct the color and the hair needs to be restored, rehydrated, and nourished prior to being colored or bleached. Our JKS mask is the best way to treat the hair prior to the color service. The JKS mask is a natural, high antioxidant treatment that has 11 different berries that repair the hair from the inside out. It will put the hair in the best condition for corrective color service. Once you've done that, your client needs to explain their expectations of how they want their hair to look. To make sure you understand what they're wanting, have them verify with photos either from hair magazines, fashion magazines, or even on the internet. That way you have a clear visual for the both of you of what the expectations are. Step 4, reality. What is it that your client is wanting? And if it's not going to be achieved in one service, let them know and explain why. Also let them know what they can have while maintaining the health of the hair. After completing your client consultation, it's time to formulate. We suggest writing down your formulation thought process. This will help you visualize the whole process. First, you need to identify the root color, and then the mid-shaft, and then the ends. Once you have determined that, then you can decide if the hair needs to be filled or you need multiple formulations for the hair. After deciding your color choices, it's time to get mixing. Keep in mind, choosing the correct developer is the most important part of corrective color. You can refer to page 11 in your technical manual. Tone on Tone is a 3% developer. Does not lift a shade, for depositing only. Level 10 does not lift a shade and for resistant hair. 15 volume, for same shade or darker, also great for gray coverage. 20 volume, half a level to 1 level of lift. 30 volume, 2 to 3 levels of lift. And 40 volume, 3 to 4.5 levels of lift. When mixing your color, it is very crucial that you measure your color to developer. To achieve the most accurate results and accurate measurements, please use a scale. If not mixed correctly, it will result in inaccurate outcome. Please refer to page 10 and 17 for mixing ratios. Alright guys, we're going to bring in our model now and show you examples of client consultation.
This is my client Brandy, and she is wanting to go all over darker, and she has brought me a picture to look at. What she's ending up wanting the result to be is to have a nice, rich, luscious brown color. Now I'm going to go formulate the color. Our model has been filled with red, and now I have mixed up her desired shade on a scale to ensure accuracy. While our client is processing for 30 minutes, we are going to show you some examples of correcting color on swatches.
Here in our swatch demonstration, we started out with our blonde. Blonde, then we filled with red, and then after we filled with red, we applied a level 3 to achieve a level 4 because of the tint back of the blonde hair. And then in this last swatch here, we filled with red intensifier, and then we colored it with a level 6R to achieve 7R. When using JKS bleaching powder from going from dark to light, it is very important to use the correct volume and developer to get the correct level that your client is wanting. While formulating, take into consideration if henna or metallic dyes have been used previously on the hair This could alter your outcome. Also, keeping in mind that JKS bleaching powder is the strongest form of bleach. Therefore, it does not require consistent heat. When the correct level has been obtained, it is time to determine the correct shade of color to achieve the desired outcome. Buy back levels as you go darker, and compensate neutralizing tone as you go lighter. If desired color is 1/2 to 1 level darker than present, choose the same level of desired level and mix with at least 30% of missing pigmentation tone in desired level. See chart and levels for tones. If desired shade is 1/2 to 1 level lighter than present, choose the same level of desired level with 15 or 20 volume developer. If desired level is 1.5 to 2 levels darker than present, choose 1 level darker than desired level, such as level 5 to be achieved by using level 4. Mix with at least 40% of missing pigmentation tone in desired level. See chart for levels and tones. If desired color is 1.5 to 2 levels lighter than present, choose the same level of desired color with at least 20% of desired level neutralizing tone added with 30 volume developer. If desired color is 2.5 to 4 levels darker than present, choose 2 levels darker than the desired level, such as level 5 to be achieved by using level 3. Mix with at least 50% of missing pigmentation tone in desired level. If desired color is 2.5 to 4 levels lighter than present, choose the same level of desired color, at least 30% of desired level, neutralizing tone using 40 volume developer. All right, well, we're back here with Brandy. She's now been shampooed. We're going to style her out using our JKS styling line along with our JKS Italian blow dryer.
Now that Brandy is finished, we achieve this beautiful color by using 1/3 4 cocoa, 1/3 5 cocoa, and 1/3 5M with 10 volume. Keep in mind that aftercare is essential.
And with our dyad series, we have you covered. There's 2 dyads that you should take into consideration after doing corrective color. Our first dyad that we're going to go over is our Repair series. In our Repair series, it entails our Repair shampoo, which is a gentle cleansing, moisturizing, hydrating shampoo, and our once-a-week conditioner. Once-a-week conditioner restores and moisturizes stressed hair, and then you can also follow up with our JKS mask, which has 11 natural antioxidant berries, which repairs the hair from the inside out. This series is going to be best for stressed or damaged hair. The next series is our Color Conscious series. Color Conscious shampoo is a rich, gentle cleansing shampoo to prevent color fadage, as well as Color Conscious conditioner, which is a moisture and shine for all types of treated hair to enrich that vibrant, beautiful color lasts just as long as you intend for it to. And also, remember, you can follow up with the JKS mask after every color treatment. On behalf of Faith and myself and JKS International, we hope this corrective color DVD has provided you with useful information that will help enhance your inner artist.
I crossed my fingers, but I didn't beg. Cause I knew you knew, cause I knew you knew I liked you. I knew you knew I liked you. I knew you knew and but I figured desperate guys never had a chance with you. I figured desperate guys never had a chance with you. Cause I knew you knew, cause I knew you knew I like